to the dining and the living area. Now, the living area is of now the kitchen comes with two opposite placed granite slabs. Now, this is the master bedroom, and over here is the Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online portal जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom most price guarantee. Unlike other real estate portals जहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers और जब आप करते हैं inquiry तो आपको आते हैं multiple calls for one inquiry. यहाँ पर at Housey ऐसे नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, तो आपका contact होता है सीधे developers के साथ. और मैं एकता कपूर आज आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ एक यूनिक sample flat का video, which is by Unique Properties and it is called as Unique Skylink. This is located at Baner Pashan Link Road, Pune. Let's go and check out their sample flat, which is unique indeed. I'm going to tell you why. Let's go. और यहाँ हम आ गए हैं sample flat में. आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे there is a video door phone for your safety and security and of course a digital door lock which can be operated with your fingerprint with a numeric lock and a digital key and a physical key as well. Once we enter this 1085 square feet 3 BHK apartment, the first thing you notice is the grand entrance lobby. Now this is of approximately 11 by 5 square feet and there is enough space for your shoe racks and storage units. Another advantage of this big a lobby is that when someone sees from outside, you can maintain utmost privacy in your house. Let's move forward. This is the living room and dining area, but did we miss out on the guest bedroom? Yes, that's because it is right at the entrance of the house, giving your guests also privacy. Here is your guest bedroom, which comes with an attached toilet and wash. Let's take a look at it. Now, the speciality about the toilets is that if you see the CP sanitary fittings, it is by Jaguar and it's called Laguna, and this is a special unique product that is provided only by Unique Properties. Another thing that you see is that the wash basin is of Laguna, but I want you to take a look at the CP sanitary fittings. This comes with a matte finish. Stay tuned. Remember this. Why I'm telling it to you is because I'm going to tell you a little more when we check out the other washrooms. Now coming back to the bedroom. The bedroom is of approximately 12 by 10 square feet and has a balcony, making it even more spacious. The balcony is again 10 by 3 square feet approximately and comes covered from 3 sides and has a toughened glass railing as well. And the flooring that has been provided for the bedroom and the balcony is of wooden finished anti-skid ceramic tiles. Let's go and take a look at the other bedrooms. And while we walk out of the guest bedroom, you must also notice that the living area and the bedroom tiles are different. All the bedrooms have been provided with wooden finished tiles. Coming back to the dining and the living area. Now, the living area is of approximately 16.5 by 11 square feet, excluding your dining area, which is of 4 by 5 square feet. And now let's take a look at the balcony. The balcony is pretty big. It is attached with your guest bedroom balcony. The total area of the balcony comes to 11 by 4 square feet. And it is covered from 3 sides and also has a toughened glass railing. It closes with these sliding doors and has a mosquito net as well. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. Right from the dining area, the kitchen is pretty accessible. They've not kept a different wall for it so that there is more space for movement. And now the main part. This is slightly bigger than the normal kitchen tables that you see. Even this one over here has a pretty big width. Now the kitchen comes with 2 opposite placed granite slabs so that there is ease of access. This can be your service table and this will be your kitchen table. Now the wash basin. See, I told you everything about this property is unique. So every detail is something that you need to know. The sink over here is called as a quad sink and this is not made of stainless steel. It is made of the same fittings with which the CP sanitary fittings in the bathroom are used, because of which there are no stains, no oil residues, and it stays clean forever, easier to clean as well. Now let's take a look at the enclosed dry balcony area. This comes with a pretty big window over here and this allows an ample lighting into your kitchen. Because of such a big window, your kitchen stays well lit all the time. And there is also a 3 mm tile drop between your enclosed dry area as well. And now the common washroom. Now again at the common washroom, I want you to take a look at these fittings over here. These are chrome finished. The Jaguar Laguna still stays. This is your common toilet and wash area, which is of approximately 8 by 4.5 square feet. And right opposite it is this glass wall. Oh, I mean, it is included in the kids' bedroom, of course. And over here is this pretty big window, which comes with this elevation right over here, so that when you stand on it, this gives you the feeling of a standing balcony. Half of it, despite being fixed and there are glasses, but still for your security, they have provided these iron railings. These are 3 sliding windows which can open and give you the feeling of the standing balcony, as I said earlier. And it also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net. And now we're going to proceed towards telling you a little more about Housey. Yes, before we move ahead into the house, let me tell you that Housey is the only place where you can see sample flat videos, 360-degree tours, actual location tours, project overview videos, pros and cons, and everything that you need to know about every property that you're watching over here. Now, if you're wondering कि हमें कैसे पता चलेगा ऑन इंक्लूसिव प्राइसिंग क्या है, EMI कितना होगा, डाउन पेमेंट कितना होगा, हमें पोजेशन कब मिलेगा, यहाँ का मेंटेनेंस कितना होगा, I know, all these details are mentioned right over here in this link that's mentioned right below over here. Quickly click on this link below so that you can get to know all the details that you need to know, and also along with that, you can book your property site visit with just 3 simple clicks with this same link. Well, go for it very quickly because it is brokerage free, and by the time you are doing that process, let me also show you the master bedroom of this house. Through this aisle area, now this is a very long aisle that they have provided to maintain utmost privacy of your master bedroom over here. Now this is the master bedroom, and over here is the bathroom. Now even this one over here has different fittings. This has a golden finish of the taps, and the Jaguar Laguna still stays. Take a look at the master bath, which is of approximately 4.6 by 8 square feet. And then take a look at the bedroom, which is of approximately 10.3 by 12 by 7 square feet, and a balcony as well. Now the balcony is a smaller one as compared to the other ones, but it also comes with the same wooden finish tiles right below and is covered from 3 sides. And of course, let's not forget the toughened glass railing. And let's not forget that you saw this property on Housey. Stay tuned for more such beautiful homes. Thank you. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Skylinks located in Baner, Pune by Unique Properties.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.